Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you guys having a good weekend. Let's have another episode of the weekly outlook, right? Where we go over the different key events we'll be having next week, as well as the different earnings. So first, let's go over the U.S. calendar first, and then I will go over the different earnings that we'll be having next week. Last week we had a busy week, Thursday and Friday, pretty much volatile. We had CPI inflation data, which was 3.2% lower than the forecast. The forecast was at 3.3. All right. And then we also have PPI. But let's talk about what we have next week. So on Monday we have nothing scheduled. On Tuesday we have U.S. retail sales. I believe we have some retail companies releasing earnings as well this weekend. I think Target having the earnings this weekend. So we talk about that. What do I see again on Wednesday? Nothing crazy. We have FOMC minute. So this might be the highlight of the week, or the FOMC minute meeting. We also have initial jobless claim as well. So the three main news I guess I will be watching for will be initial jobless claim, FOMC, and US retail sales. Like nothing crazy. So before wasting time, let's go over the earnings calendar. Let's talk about different earnings that we may have next week. So we had on Monday, I'm not watching anything really. On Tuesday though, we have Home Depot, and I'm not sure if Lowe's already reported. I don't see Lowe's here. I know for sure we have Home Depot before they open on Tuesday. What will I watch? I also watch Target. So we have Target reporting on Wednesday before they open, and we have JD.com, Chinese company, Cisco. We also have Walmart as another U.S. Rated company releasing earnings, also as well. I'm not sure if I would actually take any of those earnings yet. I might take actually Target, or Target is kind of oversold right now. And if they actually report some good earnings, with inflation going down, I'm guessing the consumer spending also went up. So that might be a good sign for more revenue on the Target side after the stock price being beat down. We might have some recovery. So I might maybe play Target, but I will see. Other than that, nothing crazy. Right? All the major companies already released their earnings, and let's see. We actually close to the end of year season. So, but let's now talk about the good stuff. Talk about the good stuff. Let's talk about SPY, and let's talk about the price action. Let's go into the technical thing of thing. Technical thing of thing. That's funny. Let's talk about into the technical side of thing. Okay, let's talk about SPY really quick. So if you actually watch my video for last week, the outlook for last week, and we talk about the price action of SPY, we talk about how SPY had home to come near that 443.6 or 7 level. I actually mentioned that on my last video. So we had this candle on our last video, and I mentioned about how SPY has home to come and retest that level. So, and that's exactly what happened. So if we go to the daily time frame, so this was the Friday candle for last week, all right, and talk about the high, our SPY has more room to go down, and we talk about also that trend line, and as we come to retest that 443.7, we're gonna have a nice confluence and a possible bounce of SPY with that trend line and that previous resistance now acting as support. So now SPY, right now I'm currently on the daily time frame. SPY actually come to a place where it can easily bounce. So as long as we actually hold that 443.7, I will look to play the upside on SPY because I'm expecting some buyers to step in on this level to support that level. But if you lose that level, I will keep my bearish sentiment on SPY. All right. So far, but actually, let's talk about that trend line really quick. So if you go back to the weekly time frame, all right. So that we have a nice trend line because SPY has been trading to the upside. The nice trend line. So we have the first touch of that trend line at this level. Alright. We have the first touch at this level where it's actually acting as support, bounce, and keep making new highs. Alright. And now it seems that we're coming near that trend line again on the weekly time frame. Alright. So if you can hold that level, that'll be really nice to see if SPY can actually resume its uptrend and go to the outside and try to clear the high again. But let's see how it plays out. If we lose that level, the 443.7, I have a key level around 435. Let me see that level right here, 437, 448 actually. Oh yeah, around 438, all right, that we have a nice room to actually go all the way down. And we adjust that. Yeah, 438. All right. So if we lose that 443 level and we have a strong steady pressure, we have room to go all the way to 438. So 438 will be one of my key support level to the upside. So we have a nice room to go down. I expect actually SPY to show some type of bullishness next week to hold that price. Either we will stay in that small range right here, a small range between around 442 or 443 all the way up to 448, 449. All right, let's see how it actually plays out. But that's for now. That's the key level I'm watching a SPY. All right, we can also go over Apple really quick. Let's go over Apple. Actually, QQQ instead. Let's talk about the ETF instead. All right. So on the ETF side on QQQ, all right, let's go to the weekly time frame. Show the bigger picture as well. So same as SPY, the last 2 weeks have been a red week for both indices, SPY, ETF, SPY, and QQQ. All right. So QQQ also had a red week last week on a daily time frame. We keep making high highs. All right. So lower highs. So we had a lower high here, lower high here. Keep going on. I have a key level around like 360 if we keep going down. But I expect some type of bounce around this level because we have a support level as well before that level around 463.3 that we can actually hold. Actually, let me adjust that. Not 60.3 should be the next resistance, previous resistance about right here. So 63.7 at this level. That we actually bounce on Friday. Alright, so if we can hold that level, we can definitely go down to the lower level at 360. Alright, but I expect like some type of bounce in the market in general. We've been selling off a little bit, and I see that we can actually bounce and hold those levels in general. Nothing crazy. And let's go over Apple really quick, and we're gonna stop here. So we talked about Apple last week as well. After that trend line break and that earnings sell off, right? We currently on a demand level that we can actually hold. So Apple actually hold that level, that 177 level. All right, that's support actually holding really strongly. So let's see. Let me adjust this really quick. All right. So let's see if Apple can bounce here. All right, so I have some calls on Apple, trying to play the bounce on Apple here. So I'm expecting some volume to get picked up at this level and see if we can go and retest that 180 level really quick. So from here to here, that's around 2.2 point to be made to hit that 180 level. But yeah, I expect some type of bounce on Apple here. I mean, if we lose that lower of Friday, we can definitely go down and go lower on Apple for sure and go hit the 172.5 and all the way down to 170 for the whole week if the selling pressure is really strong. Yeah, but so far in general I'm slightly bullish on the market for next week in terms of bounce. I expect some bounce. So we can bounce and later sell off. So that's my view in general. And if those key levels support don't hold, all right, I expect to see more blood in the market. So I'm pretty much ready to actually react in whatever will happen, whatever scenario that will be happening. I'll probably act on that. All right. So that's all I have for today. All right. Let me know if you have any question. Put in the comment. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for next outlook video.